Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM it.
Hey guys, excuse the bonnet, but I'm actually gonna do my hair today. But I was just thinking to myself, I've received so much products from like companies and stuff as gifts, and like they just sit. So I'm thinking, why not try something new today? Like for example, you guys saw I tested out the JVN products and I really loved it. So I'm curious to see what I have in that office that I've never used that might actually be good. So I know someone had asked if I could do a video where I'm using affordable products, because lately I've been using or like mentioning products like Adjoa and just higher end, Olaplex, higher end products that a lot of people can't really get their hands on or don't want to spend that type of money. I get it. I totally get it. A lot of the things that I use are sent to me and then I end up falling in love with them and just keep using them. So yeah, so anyways, we're in the office right now. If you have been following me, sorry. If you're new here, thank you for joining. If you're an old time subscriber, welcome back. In the office here, I have a ton of products. So I'm gonna go through these drawers really quickly with you guys and let's see what I can find that I can use to do this braid out. Okay, so as you guys can see, PR, and all of this has a bunch of stuff that I haven't touched. So I'm going to need a styler and I'm going to need a moisturizer, leave-in, curl cream of some sort. I need two products, something for moisture and something for hold. So we got our holding products down here. This is my stylers. I either need a gel or a mousse. This is an old time favorite. I don't want to use this because I've used it before, obviously. This is for when I'm doing slicking back my edges or, you know, installing braiding hair. This, I'm afraid to use this. I feel like I want to use this for a wash and go. This I haven't used yet. Okay, let's put this to the side. This is from Shea Moisture. It's a mousse. We'll see, put this to the side. And I think that's really it. Okay, and then we move up to our moisturizers and stuff. So right now I'm seeing this Moisture Milk by Camille Rose. I think I have used this in the past. This I believe is a mask. It couldn't fit in my shampoo conditioner drawer. This I definitely don't want to use that because this has protein. Ooh, there's a leave-in right here. This is a leave-in I've never used. Okay. This is a defining cream. Oh, and then there's a match right here. Perfect. Okay, so I think I'm going to use these two. So we got our styler and we got our whipped curl cream. This is perfect. And this is affordable. Shea Moisture is like, what, 10 bucks, I think? I think so. As always, I like to smell everything. So I'm going to smell this. I've never used this before. Oh, this is very nice. I don't know if you guys have used this. Let me know. I've never tried this Manuka and Honey yogurt line. I've tried their Manuka Honey. It's the yellow one. You know the yellow one? The yellow or gold packaging. I've used that line, but not this one. This smells really good. Oh, that smells really nice. And it actually looks like yogurt. You guys probably can't see, but it looks like yogurt. So I think we got our products for today. So I'm sure this smells the exact same way. Let's see. Yeah, kinda. I want to say it has a stronger scent though. I don't know what it is. Like it's definitely a lot stronger. So it's Manuka Honey, yogurt, and Mafura oil. Interesting. So I will be filming this, so don't worry, I will be filming this. It won't be something that's in the shower because that's the one video I don't like to film. But I will be filming it most likely in this room. I get pretty good lighting once I put on those two lights in front of me. Okay, I'm excited. Oh, also I also need flexi rods or perm rods for the ends. I'm thinking of doing a braided curl. So I need some rods. Where do I have my rods? I feel like they're on this side of the office over here. In one of these drawers down here. Yeah, right here. Well, these are flexi rods, but these might work. Oh no, I have some perm rods inside here, but I don't think I have enough of these little black ones. Yeah, I don't think I have enough of these. And I think I want to do about 6 braids on each side. I think I'm gonna need a lot more. I'm gonna go ahead and count them and see. If not, these are about the same thickness. Let's see. They're about the same thickness, so it's not too bad. I can probably get away with using these as well. But I definitely need to get myself some more of these. These are nice and smooth. They're satin rollers. I've had these for ages. I gotta get more of these. But yeah, okay, perfect. We are ready to start filming. I wonder if I have any actual perm rods. Anyways, whatever.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Hey guys, so I just realized that before I do my hair, I actually need to do some groceries, or I'm gonna run into an issue. So I just put my hair into 2 little buns and threw on a hat so I can get out the house. I don't know how my hair is looking or how this hat is looking on my head. It's probably like really like bulky, but whatever. I gotta get out the house. If I don't do this now and I start doing my hair, I won't be able to leave the house because I'm gonna have perm rods and flexi rods in my head, and I'm not going to the store looking that crazy. I'd rather put on a hat, a bulky hat. So I'm headed to Walmart. I want to make a lasagna and also some salmon with some pasta. I tried out another sauce actually. It's a tomato pesto sauce. My friend was telling me about it and I was like, let me try it out. So I tried it out and it was really good. So I'm gonna pick up another one. I'll show it to you guys. It was really good. And I feel like I could stretch it with maybe water because it's very, I don't know if the right word is concentrated. It's very, a little bit goes a long way. So I feel like I could stretch it with a little bit of water. It's very, very thick. It's almost like a paste, I want to say. It's definitely like a paste. To get a few groceries. Amari's with his dad today, so that's great. I can get a lot done before he's back home tomorrow.
Keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
Finally back home. Why was it so hard to find salmon in this city? Sorry, no, there's salmon. It's just that it's so expensive. And then the pieces that you're getting are so thin and so small. So for example, I used to pay like maybe $28 and get like a full-size salmon. Now you're paying $28 and getting half. Not even half. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I found a small piece, but everything's just so expensive. Anyways, quick grocery haul. Milk, salmon, ground beef, lasagna, pasta, bananas, the tomato pesto sauce, another one, tomato sauce, spaghetti, shredded cheese, Greek yogurt, onion powder, garlic salt, spaghetti again, 2 cans of tuna, strawberries, more strawberries, and that's it. That's all that I got. And how much did I spend? Like 100. Guys, so it is Tuesday. Last thing you guys saw, I think I was telling you guys I was gonna cook and I was gonna do braids for a braid out. I did do the braids. I didn't cook. I'm about to cook now. I've got a lot of cooking to do. So I'm actually going to an event tonight. I don't know if I mentioned that. It is a event at a nail place here in Toronto. It's a collaboration with this shawarma spot called Osmos. National Shawarma Day is on the 16th and they're doing a collaboration today, which is the 8th. Interesting. I like shawarmas and I like to get my nails done, so this shall be fun. The last nail event I went to, I think it was with Kiss, and you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but I brought home a ton of press-on nails. Anyways, so I'm excited for that. That is at 6 o'clock tonight. I gotta see if my parents can watch Amari for me so I can go. I'm praying that this braid out comes out good, because if it's a fail, it's gonna be really, really rough if it's a fail. But I think it should be okay. I really, really hope so. Anyways, let's get started. I think I'm gonna get started with the lasagna first. So got the ground beef. I think I'm gonna get started with this first. So I need a big pot to do this in. I got all my pots and stuff ready. So probably gonna use this one. It's a decent size. I need to move some stuff around. Does anyone else use their oven as storage? I don't know if you guys heard me, but does anyone else use their oven as storage? Like, I put all my pots and pans inside there because there's just not enough space. There probably is enough space, but it's not organized underneath the cupboard, so I kind of just put things in there.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah.
Hey guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Hey guys, so as promised, I did do the braid out. As you guys can see, the results are very, very cute. It's super fluffy. I don't know how long this is gonna last. I'm gonna say maybe 2 days, because it was done on a blown out hair and I didn't use any gel. Yeah, I don't see it lasting very long at all. And when it does just go poof, I probably will do a twist out. Just because braids just take so long to put in and take out. Ah, my gosh, I was sweating. Like, I was so frustrated. That's why I don't do them. But yeah, I will enjoy the 2-3 days that I have with this hair. And maybe I'll document, I'll do like a week in my hair type of video, so you guys can see what it looks like over the next few days, and then what I turn it into. I'm really itching for straight hair. Like, the itch is so bad. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's just so bad. So I may very well flatten my hair. Come on, Tesla, turn. Like, what are you doing? Jesus. Sometimes I wonder about people who drive these fancy cars, that they don't know how to drive them. Anyways, I'm about to pick up Amari from school, so I will talk to you guys later. This parking situation at this school is just so annoying, I swear to you. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.
Hi guys.
Amari's there in the background. You probably can't see him. There we go. Now you can see him. Anyway, so I just picked up Amari. As I was walking to pick up Amari, like, the wind was just tossing my hair around, so it is super windy. I don't know, this type of style is not gonna hold up, especially being done on a braid out. On a blown out hair. It's not going to last. It's gonna go poof and get super frizzy very, very quickly. I liked how braid-outs looked on my relaxed hair versus twist outs. Twist outs didn't really give me much definition. Finally home. Oh my gosh. It was actually quite cold today. But anyways, I just want to wrap up this vlog. Let me just show you guys Amari.
Building.
Before I end off the video, he's here doing some, I don't even know what this thing is called. There,
Whoa. Do not fall. Mr. Lee. Do not fall.
He's building this thing. I don't even know what it's called. What's the name of this? His dad got it from. I don't know.
My dad said yes. I can't take it. Oh,
You gotta. It needs to be in the center, or it's gonna fall over. There you go.
Do not fall. Do not. See, I told you.
Uh-oh. Try again.
See, I told you I have to be on this side. I told you. I told you, Mom.
Anyways, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one.